Welcome to my weekly HR Metrics series by Nicolas Behbahani.
Everyone talk about the employees in vacation, but what about the people left behind? It's August, half your department is posting beach pictures. The other half, they are quietly doing the jobs of 3, 4, 5 people, completely drowning in coverage work and counting the days until it's their turn to escape. Welcome back to the episode 25 of our weekly HR metrics series. Over the last 2 weeks, we talked about disconnecting at vacation and surviving the mountain of work when you get back. Today, we are completing this summer trilogy by focusing on the people holding down the fort. We are talking about the summer coverage team. Data shows that 7 in 10 people ends up doing some form of work during their vacations. Why? Often because they know their colleagues covering the team are completely overwhelmed. When companies claim to have a summer slowdown, but don't actually reduce their quarterly targets, their work doesn't magically disappear. It just falls onto the shoulders of whoever is still at their desk. If you are punishing your remaining employees so that others can leave, you don't have a healthy PTO policy. You just have a workload shifting problem that drains organizational capability. To measure if your company is actually managing capacity during peak vacation season, we need today's metrics, the Coverage Team Strength Index, CTSI. Here's the formula. You look at the heavy vacation months like August, you take the total department output, whether that is a tickets closed, project shipped, or client hours, or whatever you think that's relevant based upon your business, and divide it by the actual headcount logged in that week. Then you compare this per capita workload to a baseline month like February. If your summer per capita workload spikes more than 20%, your coverage team is officially redlining. You aren't supporting time off. You are just burning out the people who stayed behind. True summer flexibility means adjusting the volume of work, not just does it. How does your company handle team coverage when half of the office is out? Let me know your best tips in the comments, subscribe, and I will see you next week for episode 26 of our HR Metrics series.
For your daily dose of learning people and tips, make sure to like and follow my YouTube and LinkedIn page at Nicolas Behbahani.